Today's video is about a tool that I think check a lot of checkbox. It's using AI, it's text-based because terminal, it's getting back, right? And it's very powerful and useful. I'm talking about the GitKraken CLI, and let's have a look. So let's quickly have a look. So here I have a GitHub issue that is assigned to me, so I can start working on that. So what I will do is I will switch to my Visual Studio Code here. Could be anything. And what I want to do here is start working. I want to work a session. So we'll paste a command, voila. And if we have a look to that command, just like that, sounds good. So it's a CLI based command. So to interact with it, I'm using GitKraken, so GK, and then I want to start working. So work is, I could have typed work, but I thought W was better. And I want to start that, and like I'm giving a name, so add behind my cloud feed, that's what I want to work on. And here I'm using an issue, so I'm referencing an issue, because in my case it's very simple, but it could be an issue that will require multiple work session or multiple people working on that. And I could even add, if I want, using another parameter, a specific branch, though that project here is very simple because I was looking for something simple. The beauty of GitKraken CLI, it's also that it can manage multiple repositories at once. So very helping you making multiple thing with one simple command. Let's execute that command and see what's happening. What did happen? It did update my status. We can see down below here that it did change my current branch. In fact, it did create a new branch and switch to that one, so that's pretty good. And now if I do GitKraken work list, I'll see now that if I just do this like that, I can see now that here I have my new work session that start with like the name, I have the branch name, I have the name of the issue. Here I was telling you that you could have multiple repo attached to the same, so right now it's only in one repo and it's the active one. You can see that I have other one that are kind of like on pause for now. Well, now I need to do the work, so I will do that on camera and I will get back to you as soon as I'm done. So for you, it will be like in a snap. Okay, so now I'm done. It was just a few lines of code, so let's again maximize here so we can see I have two file change. So let's add those files to my Git. So for that, I could just do GitKraken add and then whoop, a dot. Now my work is added, and now what I want to do is commit those. So I go GitKraken and then again work, and I will do commit. And instead of typing and just like add stuff or like quick fix and things like that, what I could do here is use AI to do my commit. So this will then, using AI, leveraging AI to have intelligent and smart messages. Way better, right? Okay, so now what I need to do is push my work. So I will just do again, GitKraken, work, push. It's very similar to Git, as you see. So like, it's not like you have to memorize a full, completely new set of instruction. Okay, so now the code has been pushed. I could click on this, it will open, and we see, I told you, it was just a few lines of code, so we can see the code has been pushed. I see here my commits message. So what's left now? Well, I was working in a different branch, so maybe I want to create a PR and then like continue the work. So what we can do is doing like a GitKraken, okay, and then we'll do work again, we'll do a PR, create AI, just like this. So now I could even see my PR that was created. So let's have a look. So we can see here, add behind assigned cloud fee, remove behind assigned cloud fee. I don't know why it's removing. It knows what I did and stuff like that. So I could merge the pull request here and let's just add. That's better. The merge has been done. The work, now my CI/CD will take it and stuff like that. And what I can do now is end my work session. So I could do GitKraken work end, and it will end my active session. So are you sure you want to close this? Yes. So what it will do is wrap it up, delete my current branch. So if we look again down below, now we can see that I'm back on main. My branch has been clean. My work is all closed, clean, quickly, and now I can work on something else. So I really think this kind of tool will help us to be more productive. We stay into the zone. We don't have to change too many different tools. It's just quick. And you can also use that in mini script to go very fast and be productive. And imagine, right now my example was simple, but imagine if you had multiple repos and stuff like that, you could go a lot very fast. I will put link in the description. I have an affiliate link if you're interested to go for the pro version and have even more feature. I will give you a discount with that, but nevertheless, you can try it for free if you want. Have a look and let me know in the comment. What do you think? Is it useful? See you on the next one.